All right, what is going on, guys? I wanted to share this real quick. On my screen, I have some worm castings that have been waterlogged for a combined probably about a month. I fed this small worm bin a half of a watermelon, and that watermelon waterlogged the system, being that they're, I believe, 90% water. So I had a decent sized puddle in the middle of this worm casting system, and when I was looking at it last night, and I haven't fed them, by the way, since then, and that's why I'm here. It's fungal. I've been noticing hyphae in this too, a good amount of hyphae. There's no ciliates, man. This should completely be anaerobic. I was expecting to see a party of ciliates here. So my thoughts are, and I would be definitely interested in opinions, but my thoughts are that the worms might be eating the ciliates because I haven't fed the system. And when you look at it, we're talking about some pure castings. As a matter of fact, I'll put a photo to show you what they look like. I mean, they're ready to be harvested. There doesn't look like there's really anything for them to eat. And I kind of let it go, just wondering what would happen. So I've been monitoring it. I was thinking that it would have dried out by now, but no, it's still anaerobic. Does not smell, which is interesting. I mean, just maybe a light smell of what an anaerobic casting would smell like. But maybe that makes sense because there's no ciliates tearing the system down and off gassing stuff. But yeah, that's really interesting. And I mean, I've been looking for a while too. I'm just bringing you into this video now, just to share this. Tons of bacteria, tons of organic matter. This is a 1 to 10 dilution. I'm at 400 ramification. And it is humus as all can be in my test tube at a 1 to 10. So yeah, I've only seen one test state amoeba in here. That's it. A lot of fungi as far as fungal spores. Look at that cluster. I'm not sure what that is. That looks pretty cool. Worms are alive. Obviously, they're not going to die in that type of system. You know, anaerobic, waterlogged worm castings, they will thrive through that. These little green things here, that is a form. That is algae. It will fluoresce red. And again, if you guys, those that know me, know that I handle a lot of algae. And, well, cyanobacterias, and I don't know what that is, though. That's not cyano. It could be a piece. Who knows? Whatever. Anyway, that's not why I'm here. So, yep. Just sharing. Open to ideas here on why I don't have any ciliates in a waterlogged worm casting. I think that the worms might be. There's obviously, well, there's no nematodes. Not obviously. But there are no nematodes. I haven't seen any of the predators here. And this set of castings is mature, very mature. They've been sitting for about 3 months. So what I'm going to do now, my plan is now to feed it. I'm going to keep it waterlogged, but I'm going to give them something to eat other than biology, if they are in fact eating microbes. So anyway, I'll leave it with that. I'll put a picture of the little bin, and then I'll keep track of this bin now. It's really got my interest.